Good morning, dear kids, and welcome back to your English grammar class. Dear kids, today's date is 3rd September 2020. Day is Thursday. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 11, Near and Far. In this chapter, we will learn how to use this, that, these, and those. Near means close to us, means हमारे पास. Okay? If someone is close to me, it looks big. Okay? Far means away from us. Like if you are standing on this road, can you see the sun and mountains? These are far from us and that's why they are looking small. So if something is far away, it looks small. So, we are going to use this, that, these and those. Either they are near or far from us according to that. Okay, dear kids? We use this for a thing or person that is near us. This is a ball. This is an apple. This is a pencil. All these three things are near to us, so we are using the word this. Okay, and these things are singular also, like one ball, one apple, one pencil. So we are using this. Okay, we use that for a thing or a person that is far away from us. Now you can see the umbrella is far from this girl, and far from the speaker, and the speaker is the girl. So the girl is saying that is an umbrella. So again, we use the word that for the far things, and dear kids, the thing should be singular, like this is one umbrella. Okay, we use these for things or persons that are near us. Now dear kids, you can see these are many apples, and here the pens are also many in number, so we will use these are apples. These are pens. We are not using this. Why? Because the apples are and the pens, they are many in number. Okay? So they are plural, and for plural we use these. We don't use this. Okay? We use those for things or persons that are far away from us. Now you can see there are many trees and they are far away from the girl. So what is she saying? Those are trees. Means those word is used for the plural things and which are far away from a person. Okay? So one more example of those are apples. See, the apples are far away from the girl, so those are apples. Okay? So dear kids, this and these are used when the things are near to the speaker. Okay, this is used when there is only one object, and these are used for plural. Okay, this for singular and these for plural and for the near objects. Okay, that and those are used for the when the things are far from the speaker. So that is used for singular and those are used for plural. Okay, dear kids? See, look at this picture. Now you can see first is singular, and you can see the apple is near, so we will say this is an apple. When the apple is far, we'll say that is an apple. And in case of plural, we'll say when the apples are near, we'll say these are apples. Many apples are there, so we are using these. And when the apples, they are far away, we'll say those are apples. Okay? So I guess the concept of near and far is clear to you all. This, that, these and those. Very good. So what have we learned? We have learned that we use this for a thing or person that is near to us. We use that for a thing or a person that is far away from us. And this and that are used when we talk about one thing or one person, means singular, and these and those are used when we talk about many things or more than one person, means plural. Okay, dear kids? Now let's do some written work. So quickly open your English 2 notebook and take out your pencil and eraser. So what's the date today? 3rd September 2020. Classwork. Today's quotation is think positive. Now write the name of the chapter, Near and Far. Chapter 11, Near and Far. Now on the next line, write fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. Now dear kids, every time I used to say that no need to draw the pictures, but today all of you have to draw these beautiful pictures and color them also. Okay, you can use the crayons or pencil colors, no need to use the sketch pens. Okay, so you can see on the left column also I have made a flower, many books, and you can see the bags are there. And on the right side, far away from the number, I have made a car, kites are there, a bus is there. So we'll see the numbers. You can see the left, the pictures which are in left, they are close to the numbers, and the pictures which are on the right hand side, they are far away. So now let's start. So number 1, dash flower is very pretty. So what we will use? The flower is singular and it is near to the number. So we'll say this flower is very pretty. Number 2, Harsh wants to buy dash car. Now the car is far away from the number and it is singular. So we will use the word this. Harsh wants to buy this car. That car. Okay, the car is far away now. So we will say Harsh wants to buy that car. Okay, because it is far away from the number. Number 3, dash are my books. Now you can see the books are near to the number 3 and they are plural. So what we will use? These. These are my books. Number 4, look at dash kites in the sky. So kites are plural and they are far away from the number 4. So what we will say? Look at those kites in the sky. Number 5, dash bags are very useful. Now bags are plural and bags are near to the number 5. So we will say these bags are very useful. Number 6, Ria takes dash bus every day. Now you can see the red bus, it is far away from the number 6 and it is singular. So we will say Ria takes that bus every day. Okay, so now let's check the answers. This flower is very pretty. Harsh wants to buy that car. These are my books. Look at those kites in the sky. These bags are very useful. Ria takes that bus every day. So dear kids, you have to complete this work. Then you can send me the pics, and if you'll be having any confusion, you can call me. Okay? So do the work very neatly. Okay? So that's all for today. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.